Wondering how your MacBook Neo is actually holding up? Let's see 2 ways to check your battery health and cycle count so you know exactly how much life is left in your machine. First, click the Apple menu, go to System Settings, and hit Battery. Tap the I next to Battery Health. This percentage shows your total capacity compared to when it was brand new. Since we've just got the Neo, it's showing its full capacity. That is 100%. You can check it out every 3 months. To find your cycle count, there's a different way. Take your cursor towards the Apple menu and hold the Option key on your keyboard. Then click the Apple menu again. Select System Information. Click Power in the sidebar and look for cycle count. This tells you how many full charges your battery has been through. Most Macs, including Neo, are rated for 1000 cycles. If your health is above 80%, your Neo is still in its prime. That's it. Thanks for your time.